Hey everyone, welcome to NutriVision. How are you all? Today we will talk about the best way to take your omega-3 supplements to maximize their benefits. Let's dive in. Omega-3s are essential for heart, brain and joint health. While you can get them from foods like fish and nuts, many people rely on supplements, especially if their diet falls short. Whenever people work out in the gym or they do hardcore workouts, especially the trainers recommend them omega-3 fatty acids for their joint pain, for their muscle cramps. Focus on EPA, that is eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, that is docosahexaenoic acid, found in fish and krill oil, as they are more easily absorbed by the body. ALA, found in plant-based sources, is less efficient but still beneficial. For the absorption, take your omega-3s with a meal containing healthy fats. Some studies suggest that taking them with your dinner may be more effective, but the key is consistency and pairing them with fat. Avoid taking omega-3 with high fiber meals, which can block the absorption. Keep your supplements fresh by storing them in the fridge and use them within 3 to 4 months. Take your omega-3s and fat-containing meal with a fat-containing meal. Stay consistent and keep them fresh for best results. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Thank you.